The whole world loves these. Let's see what's better. Is it by using wild caught versus farmed, or is it the technique that matters, like charcoal or plancha? And once we're done, we're going to show you a leftover recipe with shrimp that is just going to blow your mind. We're comparing the plancha versus the charcoal, and naturally, we always think the charcoal is going to win no matter what. Last time we realized that the plancha is allowing elements to cook in their own juices. So for the chicken, it worked wonders.
Yeah, well, the chicken skin, the fat from the legs, it's natural, but these little beasts, not much fat in shrimp. We got these wild-caught Argentinian shrimp that are 15-18s, I think. And then we got these, Costco generics that are, I believe they're tiger shrimps.
Not wild-caught. Pretty sure those are
not wild-caught. These are 21-25s. And for those who are wondering what that means, when you have 21-25s, you have 21 to 25 shrimp per pound. In this case, it's 15-18, so you got 15 to 18 shrimp per pound. The higher the number, the smaller the shrimp. Braising hot, so I'm gonna put the first one there, sizzling away. And then, because they're a bit bigger, they're gonna take a bit longer to cook.
I think I'll pop these guys on. Yeah.
Charcoal first?
Charcoal first. And I'm going with the...
Oh, man.
Yeah, plancha time.
Plancha time.
Okay. No contest to charcoal.
Charcoal wins.
Charcoal wins.
100%.
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah.
It's not bad, but you're missing all of that smokiness, those little edges.
The smokiness with the acidity, something about it, just...
Yep.
The beautiful sort of mixture.
The smoke with the fresh herbs. There's something about it brings out a character in the herbs that right now the plancha is not doing.
So we have leftovers. So we got lots of leftovers here.
Beautiful. Beautiful because I'm starving.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll be able to, yeah. Let's just say this would not be the only meal you eat. This is sort of the entree.
Yeah, it's a focus test.
Okay, so...
Plancha, tiger shrimp.
Plancha. Iron.
But comparing farmed tiger shrimp versus a wild-caught Argentinian shrimp here, there's a bite that the farmed shrimp has that the Argentinian shrimp didn't have. The Argentinian shrimp I found had a more melt-in-your-mouth texture. This is, again, down into the subtle layers. The farmed one has a bit more of a bite, or maybe it has more of a bite because it cooked a little bit more because they're smaller.
They got a bit more texture. They're not rubbery per se, but they're...
That's the bite. Yeah, that's the bite I'm referring to.
They got to get a mouthfeel. They're al dente.
I think the difference here between Argentinian and foreign tiger shrimp is so subtle that the charcoal and the marinade and the herbs are gonna top and dwarf the differences. I'm starving. Should we take whatever that's left here and mix it up with some crab?
Do we talk about what we're gonna do with the crab?
Oh, the best part of the video. So you take all these leftover shrimp that you have, clean them up, take the tails off, and you cut them up into little bite-sized pieces. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take a bunch of these fresh herbs, fresh tarragon, fresh oregano, fresh parsley, fresh dill, celery, garlic chopped up, and you're going to use lemon juice and zest. You're going to chop all the mix of herbs and garlic and put that with 1/3 of a cup of mayo and the lemon zest. And this is the optional but highly recommended part. If you have some crab meat, toss in the crab meat. Then take those shrimp that you chopped up before and add it into the mixture, stir it up, add a nice pinch of salt, then head back onto your plancha, bring some butter, grab those brioche buns and just put them on the flat top to brown with that little bit of butter, and then time to assemble. Cares about the wine.
I know it. Had some leftover crab and shrimp last week with the aborted stuffed squid episode. Instead of the hot dog buns, when I was at the grocery store, I saw the little brioche ones, and I said, you know what, let's try the brioche buns. Oh my God. They call them sausage roll brioche. So they're a bit wider. They're probably big enough to handle an Italian sausage.
That's the best way to do it, because honestly, normally, like if we were to do this, let's say, and mix in a bit of lobster meat, it would be thicker, it'd be bigger. It would probably gives a bigger bowl effect when the bun opens. These, I gotta say, were a pain in the butt. Like, to open them up, we had to, like, cut into them a little bit more.
But, that said, the butter sauteed brioche with this mixture, the herbs, the mayonnaise, the lemon juice, we haven't even tried it with the wine yet.
So this covers every flavor profile except sweetness. And I think this is where the wine might actually help. How do you still have 1.5 left?
So I try with wine.
You went for Vermentino first.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah. But that rind, that citrus rind was good, but I think the Greek wine is going to be better.
Oh, yeah. You go to the Greek wine?
Oh, my God. That's the one.
I was thinking going with like a, Petit Chablis. Like I find like Chablis and unoaked Chardonnay and Burgundy is, in my estimation, is one of the ultimate white wines. It's got the mouthfeel, it's got the acidity, it's got that lemon lime bursting. It's just perfect.
It would be nice. Well, guess what?
Our little sip tonight is because we took a little bottle, but it is not
To stay in the same price range as the big bottles, I found a small bottle, which still costs more, this little bottle, than the big bottles for these.
But since this isn't a regular episode,
No, let's go.
what the heck? Let's go see what we got here. Which will not be part of our competition.
No, because it wins by default.
Well, smell, you got the little mineral going on there.
Actually, I'm getting a lot of mineral. Oh, my goodness.
That's what we got.
Okay, I get that we do like the attainable budget wines, but occasionally if we can like branch out into wines like these, can we? Because holy crap.
I made a mess.
Oh my goodness. Okay, this is crazy. Because it's oaky and buttery and like dry, but got great balance of fruit and acidity. It's like the perfect buffet of French white wine.
Yeah. Maybe I'll have to do a research, but I was under the impression that Chablis were not oaked.
I don't think they are, but I'm still getting a little. You're getting it. You're getting a little bit of that flavor as if it was oaked, but it's not.
Oh, yes.
I love it because even on this label, it says it is highly recommended you serve this white Burgundy wine with seafood.
Well, we've done that.
Gee,
Come on, that's really good, eh?
that's fantastic. This is a.
Yeah,
I'm sorry, this is a fucking treat.
It's a different level.
Oh my God, these
But-
two together.
This roll, we went the Corona you threw away. It'd be fine. It's that good. It's.
Yeah. Keep your leftover crab meat
Yeah.
and shrimp or lobster. Oh,
Or even if it's just if it is just crab,
oh yeah,
probably chop it up a little bit finer.
that'll still work.
Yeah. So like, you want the herbs, you want the mayonnaise, you want the lemon juice and the butter, garlic butter, all to incorporate and make almost like a pate sort of thing. So if you don't have the crab meat is a natural because it's like all shredded.
Yeah.
But with the shrimp, if you don't have the crab meat, I'd say if you chop it up really fine, it probably act almost the same. I've heard some people say, oh, they add a bit of breadcrumbs or something to, but
Yeah, that's all these needed.
I
You also, I like that you didn't overdo the mayonnaise. Because you can do this however you like. Like, you can make this ultra creamy, and you can make it a little bit... What's the alternative for that? Like, You know, you compare a coleslaw. You got a creamy coleslaw and a
Yeah.
traditional coleslaw. Not that this is closer to a traditional coleslaw, but it's not ultra creamy. You don't need it.
This one article that was that started about, should it be a mayonnaise based or should it be butter based?
Yeah.
And this guy said, well, you know what? Why choose? Do both.
Do both.
And good God, fantastic.
I agree, 100%.
Like I've had the mayonnaise based lobster rolls, like in Maine. I think it was in Maine, and amazing, fantastic. In Nova Scotia, I had one that was just
Yeah, same.
Garlic
That's what
butter.
I was going to say.
oh my God,
And it was amazing.
fantastic.
It was amazing.
But put them together like this, and oh my God, this is, I dare say, better than either of the ones I had in Maine or Nova Scotia.
Yep. And again, this time we used leftover crab meat,
Leftover,
like out of the crab legs. And this is just snow crab. You have leftover king crab? It's okay, I have an idea to finish this off.